to the park in the afternoon. A stranger bows, I hear the tune. Not high or hey, but something neat. Politeness rising off the street. Not too soon, not too late. This is how we situate. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite, Hajimemashite, Konnichiwa. Say it once when past a line. That's your greeting first in line. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite. Then you're ready, now you're fine. No ohayou, the sun's too high. No konbanwa, the light's still dry. Just konnichiwa to match the day, and hajimemashite to clear the way. Every phrase knows when it fits, like a glove, not just in bits. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite, Hajimemashite, Konnichiwa. First impressions start with care. Japanese goes anywhere. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite. All it takes is just that pair. Hajimemashite, first time said, only when we've never met. Konnichiwa, hello by day. Afternoon's the time to say ohayou when morning's new. Before 10, that one's for you. Konbanwa, when night is near, that's the greeting late and clear. And if I say yoroshiku, it means I hope we're good, not shook. Hajimemashite. 私はアレックスです。よろしくお願いします。日本に来たのは今回が初めてです。昨日羽田空港に着きました。まだ少し時差ボケがあります。でも日本のお春はとても綺麗ですね。今日は昼なのでこんにちはと言いました。朝ならおはよう、夜ならこんばんは。初めて会った人にははじめましてを使います。そして自己紹介の後によろしくお願いします。これが日本語の基本の挨拶です。With these words I cross the line. Language flows and now it's mine. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite, Hajimemashite, Konnichiwa. Now I speak and now I see. Nihongo feels right to me. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite. First words first, that's how we be. Say it once and make it real. Politeness is a way to feel. Konnichiwa Hajimemashite. That's where we begin.